Hi, I'm Dr. Mark Wheaton, physician and owner of Lakeside Sports and Pain Clinic. I'll take the next few minutes to let you know why Lakeside Sports and Pain Clinic is different and why patients have chosen to come to this clinic over the past 20 years. This practice exists to meet the goals of our patients. In order to understand what the goals of our patients are, we first have to sit down and listen to you and find out what's important to you. So the first thing that will happen when you come to Lakeside and come into the exam room is that I will listen to you describe the problem, and then after reviewing any of your pertinent medical records, I will then examine you and then come to the proper diagnosis. At that point, then we will discuss what the proper treatment options would be for you. Most patients come to Lakeside Sports and Pain Clinic after being through other pain clinics and going through other treatment options. They come here at the recommendation of other satisfied patients or on a website search for alternative treatment methods. Patients stay here because of the results that they achieve, but also because of the personal touch that we provide that is often missing at larger and busier clinics. I'd like to take a minute to discuss the primary treatment methods that we use here at Lakeside Sports and Pain Clinic. Over 20 years ago, when I was beginning my medical practice, I'd heard about a treatment that had never been introduced to me before. That treatment is called prolotherapy. And in the treatment of prolotherapy, I found a natural alternative that would heal sports injuries and chronic pain in my patients. Since that time, I've also added a treatment called PRP, which is platelet-rich plasma, which utilizes your own blood cells to stimulate healing in your tissues and your joints. Another added treatment method is bone marrow and fat cell stem cells, which are utilized again to repair damaged tissue, to cartilage, to tendons, and to other joint structures that are damaged. With these treatments, I'd finally found a treatment that would heal problems naturally and effectively and permanently in most cases, and would avoid the need for drugs, surgery, or other treatment methods. Once I began to use prolotherapy and PRP for my patients, I began to realize that this would be the final stop for most of my patients. Being an injury-riddled person myself, I realized I also had the potential to heal all my damaged joints from my many years of sports injuries and chronic pain. I can honestly say I'm better at age 60 than I was in my mid-30s. Now that is quite a statement. In remembering back as to why I got in medicine in the first place, it was to relieve physical suffering. But in recent years, I've realized that there is a lot of emotional pain and suffering that goes along with chronic pain, both at work and at home. With that in mind, I realized that if I could provide a method that would give long-term treatment success for my patients, I would then be able to provide them what they really came in for in the first place, to get a treatment that was both effective, safe, natural, and would last a long time. What I now know to be true is that any person with chronic pain just wants to be listened to, believed, and then given some hope that there is a solution for their chronic pain. I have found that people with chronic pain are some of the most grateful people that I have known when they finally get relief, both physically, emotionally, and spiritually. I believe that God uses each difficult circumstances that face us in life to draw us closer to Him. It's my prayer that you'll trust the great physician as we provide the healing that you need at our clinic here at Lakeside. And now I'd like to introduce you to my office manager, Gina.
Hi, my name is Gina. I'm the office manager and the registered nurse at Lakeside Sports and Pain Clinic, the office of Dr. Mark Wheaton. I just wanted to give you an idea of what you will experience when you come into our office. As you step in, you'll be greeted with a smile, and we'll ask you some questions. We really like to keep it personal at Lakeside Sports and Pain Clinic, and we just don't want to rush you out the door. So we want to make sure you feel welcomed. As soon as you come in, we'll take your information and we'll bring you back. As soon as we take your history, we'll have Dr. Wheaton come in and assess you. At that point, we'll help you with your treatment if you so choose to be treated. After your appointment with Dr. Wheaton, we will set up an appointment for you to return. And we just want to encourage you to check out our website at www.drmarkwheaton.com. There are many other testimonials for you to view and listen to, get more information about prolotherapy and the healthcare system. And we just want to encourage you to tell others about Dr. Wheaton and prolotherapy and how it has helped you, so that we can encourage others to be free of pain. So we thank you, and if you have any other questions, then please call us at 952-593-0500.
Thank you for watching Wellness for Life.